A perfect dish if you're on a diet. This healthy, easy one-pot dinner is so cheap, so delicious. Hey guys, let's do it. Detailed written recipe is in the description and the first comment. You'll find this dish is extremely easy to make. If you like thick and creamy soup, cook the rice a few minutes longer. If you prefer clearer broth and a firmer, more defined grains of rice, just cook it in less time. What you see here is thick and creamy soup that I prefer because it kind of reminds me of Vietnamese congee. Alright friends, you're doing fantastic. Eat good and healthy food. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.